Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually withdraw your money from PrizePicks here? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and access your account for PrizePicks, and you also need to basically meet a certain criteria here. So by the way, in order for you to withdraw your funds here or your prizes here on PrizePicks, is you first need to have a card. Now, if you are not aware yet, you can actually get a card directly from Cash App. So you just need to go to their website, which is in this case Cash App here, and just search for a Cash App card. And usually it's going to give you an option to maybe get a card. So in this case, a Visa card directly from a Cash App. This case, you want to go ahead and apply for one or get one. So it typically might take a few days or a week. So just need to wait for that. But once you already have access to that card for directly from Cash App, what you could do is you just need to go to your account here in PrizePicks. So if you want to go and click on the three button icon, and from here you want to scroll down a bit here and you want to go ahead and click on the request withdrawal option. There we go ahead and click on it, and it should redirect you to the withdrawal page. Now, by the way, in order for you to withdraw your funds or your prize, here you first need to do a verification. So in this case, just complete verification here. But once you have done that, just follow the on-screen steps, provide the details of your card in order for you to receive your funds. But in this case, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.